When cleaning the espresso machine, you're going to make sure that it's off. You are going to pull out each piece, and she's got a rag with hot water. So she's going to make sure that it is all wiped down, and then each piece is put back in its spot. She's going to wipe off the grinder catch as well as wiping off kind of everywhere up underneath, since it can get some espresso and milk froth everywhere. Then you are going to make sure that you wipe off the steamer and get all of the gunk off of it. You are going to take out the metal filter, and same thing, you're going to get hot water and wipe that out, get the espresso all nice and wiped off of that. And then you're going to take that filter and do the same thing, wipe it down really good to make sure all of the espresso is clean off of that. You're going to put it back on and then set it off to the side for the moment. You're going to take out the base and make sure that everything is kind of rinsed off, wiped down, and cleaned up. The biggest thing is making sure that all of the standing water and all of the grounds are cleaned up. That way we don't get mold forming or we don't get bugs hanging out in the espresso machine. So as you can see, she's wiping it all down. She's cleaning it all up. Once all the pieces are wiped off, she is reassembling it, and then she's going to pull out the little tray, wipe off the bottom where the tray goes, the countertop, all of that, just dumping it into the trash can and getting it all cleaned up. She's getting some more hot water and then making sure that underneath is cleaned up as well. That way, if anything has spilled, it is not on top. She's wiping down the top of the machine, the front of the machine, and then the sides as well, as things can kind of accumulate along that if there are any spills. Now she is reassembling once everything is wiped off, and she's doing one last sweep of it all and then putting it all back together.